How to fix WS10 error ink Dave. Here's some troubleshooting tips that may help you with the WS10 error ink Dave. 1. Reinstall or update games for Windows Live, Google. 2. For advanced players, check out the installation of your game, the Windows Live or .NET framework. Also try repairing M as admin. And here's additional steps you may try. 2.1. Try reinstalling the game along with the latest update Grand Theft Auto 4 Patch 7 at http://bit.ly/395ybjj. 2.2 Try uninstall. All entries of games for Windows Live and/or Live Marketplace, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Note, you better double check that slive.dll file is removed from c:\program files, x86, /rockstar games /dave and/ or your computer. Always, you have a backup of that slive.dll in case there are further complications. 2.3 Ensure that at .NET Framework 3.5.1 is installed properly. You may download the standalone setup file to save your time. 2.4 Obtaining a standalone version 4.0 of .NET Framework is also kindly recommended. 3. Type regsvr32 msxml3.dll in the run box. For further help with Microsoft Games for Windows Live, please go to http://support.xbox.com/n-us.